Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Axie Infinity. AXS coin is now trending coin in the market, and a lot of people message me on Instagram and Telegram that what should we do, and this time which coin we buy, which coin will give us profit. So guys, now just look the trending coin in the market. Now a lot of people focus on the Axie Infinity smooth low portion. This coin is now trending coin in the cryptocurrencies market, so everybody want to buy this coin, and that's why you can see here, my friends, that the changes of this coin is positive. From the last 1 week, Axie Infinity is trending 15% the price pump in the last 7 days. 43.92 USD dollar is the current price. Now my friends, I'm sure about that at the last of August the price of Axie Infinity will be 50 USD dollar. So that's why I really appreciate for all of you to invest now in this coin and make a huge profit. Anyways, what you think about Axie Infinity, also share me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news. Now guys, furthermore, if we look the changes in Axie Infinity, so the future of Axie Infinity is bright, because it's just the beginning of a pump. Now the huge pump is coming soon. That's just the beginning, so wait for it. You can see 44. Now in the startup video the price of the polygon is 43 and now 44. So in a minute the price pump. Invest now in Axie Infinity. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.